Hi, this is the famous windscreen here. And basically today I'm going to show you how to install it. Unfortunately, I needed two hands plus my mouth sometimes and my elbows. So I couldn't film it while I was installing it. So I did do a movie which will follow. But right now, here's the problem. This piece here is what comes with the bike. You can see that it goes around like that. And this is what the original windshield was, and it's installed. Now the problem is you take this piece here and you slide it on top of the existing one, and you take this new piece, which by the way is one, like this, it's all one, and it goes through one of the holes while this goes through the other hole, and then these two things stick on together to attach to the windshield here. Okay, the problem is, as you will see, is that this thing, okay, to get this clamp where it's showing you, it's actually showing you in the picture that it's around here, but there's wires on the handlebars that have to come off, and getting this clamp and getting it around straight, like to get this straight and wiggle in and clamp, is quite difficult if you want to get it straight right away. And you'll see what I mean when you do it. So basically what I can suggest is that you just get one screw through there so that this is loose while these two pieces are in. So you put this in and that in, and then you just keep it loose. So this should be loose, this should be loose, and then you do the other side. So then you would do that side. So let's have a look at the video, because once they're both done and it's loose, then we apply the windshield, and these will move back and forth, you know, until it's in the right spot. And then when all four are in, these will wiggle into place. So that way, once they're in place, and you can move this up and down, by the way, and so that it's even here. And then you go ahead and tighten all the bolts and the windshields, and you're ready to go. And don't forget, on the back of this there's one little bolt. You'll find that there's a tiny little bolt, two of them actually. They go on the inside, and they basically clamp the bottom two things here. They clamp them so they won't move up or down. So let's have a look at the video. As you can see, I got the windshield on. It's a windy day. Some of the problems I had, I'm just going to show you, is that when, I don't know if you can see this, this is the way it actually goes. This is the existing one that comes out, and it goes through this piece here, and then you have a hole for the new holder which goes up to here. It goes through there and onto here. Now the problem was is that I had this wire strapped here, just like this wire is strapped there. So I actually undid them, and as you can see, this wire goes underneath now. It was impossible to come along here, and this is mighty close to my brake fluid there, but once it's on. So what I did is I installed this and kept it loose, and installed these two loose, and everything loose until I could line it up. So if you want to have a look at how it goes, that's it. Basically this goes on. I put one screw in, got one side up, didn't put the windshield on, just put these bracket things on. They were all crooked when I installed it. And then once this was on, I got these so they could move around. I then came around and installed these on the windshield, and then they straightened out naturally. So that's how that's done.